Now, let's... Whoop. Yeah! Ta-da! Looks like we've made a little bit of progress, huh?
Yeah.
We need... Gotta find more woods. Give me the board that looks like this. They've actually done a pretty nice job with this. So, you see it has a part number here. Dog's playing. So this part number's in the manual. So what we did ahead of time is we laid out all the parts, as you see, and all the numbers are supposed to be facing that way. So we should be able to find that it looks kind of similar, and then go and pick the part. And this way, we'll have the right part at the right time. This part's pretty easy. It's just a whole lot of spend most of the time just hunting and pecking for the parts in the hardware package. Right. Literally, it takes less time to put this together. The step, at least. The step takes less time than the hardware. Okay.
So now what are we doing?
We're just doing. Watch out! I don't want you just to pinch you.
I won't.
Well, you can't say that because it always tries to pinch me.
I'll hold it up.
Okay. Yep. Little helpers all the time.
Help me.
I know you like looking at yourself in my sunglasses.
It's Ellie.
Wrench. Drill. That other side's going to be a lot harder. Okay, need me some washers. Whew. Now this part has to go by feel. I have these 3 washers that go underneath and the nylock under that. I thread this on just a wee bit. So thankfully this bridge thing is under tension, so it makes the bolts kind of stay put. Cool. Wrench. Find the bolts. Cool. What's next? You know what time it is? Flooring time. You won't fall.
Do we have to do both sides?
Yeah.
Square me.
For now.
For now.
For now.
For now.
For now.
Okay. For now.
Okay, hold this one in place.
What are you doing there?
So that it's held. So we can do the next one. And that it can hit you in the face. We're doing this one now.
He's doing only 2 with our watch.
Move your knee.
Gonna get chopped.
Move your hand. What comes next?
I don't know.
poor plank. This isn't that heavy, but it ain't light. It's done. No, just kidding. Yeah, this is totally not gonna fall on me. Hammer! How the flaming hot Cheetos. It's got all my weight on it. This would be a fantastic video if I just fell, but